This is Natalia Ito. I'm a CPA and a business coach who works with visionary entrepreneurs and helps them to save money on taxes, as well as to inspire them to build more profitable and successful businesses so they can have the lifestyle they always dream of living. I also wrote a book. It's called The Wealthy Intentional Entrepreneur: How to Build Financial Wealth One Step at a Time, and it has lots of interesting information, and therefore I recommend you to purchase it. In this video, I would like to talk about the Form 2553, or how to become an S corporation for your business. So first of all, people are also getting confused. They think, well, how am I going to be an S corporation? Well, I filed articles of organization, or I filed articles of incorporation with the state, and therefore I think I'm an S corporation. So there's no such a thing as an S corporation by default. What that means is you have to file a Form 2553 with the IRS and ask the IRS to elect your business to be taxed as an S corporation. So first you create either a limited liability company or a limited partnership or limited liability partnership or personal corporation or a C corporation on the state level, and then you file a Form 2553 with the IRS, and then IRS grants you the S corporation status. You also need to file S corporation form with 3 states. I believe it's Arkansas, New Jersey, and New York. However, we're from Colorado, and therefore Colorado does not require additional form to be filed in order for the state to recognize the S corporation status. So the state takes the federal election by default. So in order for your S corp, for your business to be taxed as an S corporation, you want to make sure that all shareholders in the S corporation are either U.S. citizens or green card holders. Also, this company has to be a domestic corporation, meaning you're not doing any foreign businesses outside of the United States. It has to have 100 or fewer shareholders, and only one type of stock has to be issued. So how to file for an S corp? There is also a timely S election, so meaning you file a Form 2553 and you have a 2.5 months since you started your business. You have 2.5 months to submit the Form 2553 with the IRS, and then within 60 days IRS will notify you and say, yep, congratulations, you're an S corporation. By the way, don't forget to pay yourself a reasonable salary. For example, let's say you have been operating your business, your limited liability company, for 2 or 3 years. Now you decided that it's time for you to become an S corporation because you're making over $40,000 in net income. So what time frame do you need to file that form? For example, by filing a Form 2553 by March 15th, 2019, for example, will give you option to be an S corporation for your business as of January 1st, 2019. And all shareholders must sign this form. It's on the page 2. Basically, every business shareholder has to give a consent that, yes, everybody wants this business to be taxed as an S corporation. The good news is, there's also a retroactive or a late S corporation election available for business owners. For example, let's say today is January, February, or March 2019, but you thought, or your intention was to be S corporation in your business effective, January 1st, 2018, and you didn't even know about the 2553. You just filed articles of incorporation with the state, and you thought, I'm an S corp. So there is a ruling, revenue ruling 2013-30 available to you, and if you have a reasonable cause, and also by using the Form 2553, you will put on the top of the form revenue ruling 2013-30. You put a reasonable cause why you're filing your S corporation election form late, and then you can actually file the form, and the IRS most likely will grant you a late S corporation status. So, for example, again, if you actually have 3 years and 75 days to go back and ask the IRS to, for your business to be elected taxed as an S corporation. However, you had to act like an S corporation. So what does that mean? Let's say if you need help with the S corporation and you come to our office, which is Colorado Business CPA, with coloradobusinesscpa.com, you come to our office and say, could you please help us to file a retroactive election, S-election. If you come to us before the 15th of, before 15th of March, most likely we will, be able to obtain the late S corporation election effective 1/1/18 with the IRS. However, if you come to us in September 15, 2019, this can be a maybe because, again, IRS, remember, said you have to act like you already had an S corporation. So what that means is the S corporation tax return is due by March 15th, 2019. So that's why most likely, yes, IRS will grant you an S corporation election, late S election. But if you are not sure whether you still want your S corporation, status as of January 1st, 2018, I would recommend you to file extension for your business. Even maybe you'll change your mind later, but for the S corporation, that's a form 7004, and don't file any tax returns until you're ready to file the S corporation tax return if you want the retroactive election, maybe in September 15th. So again, why people choose S corporation is because that's the really great tax savings tool, because the net income from S corporation is not subject to self-employment tax. If you're more curious and want to learn more about S corporation, please watch our other video, which we do have at least 3 main reasons why business owners select this S corporation status and why they run their business as an S corporation. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and click the like. We are full service CPA firm. We offer packages for small business owners, which include payroll, accounting, bookkeeping, tax preparation, tax planning, and we also do a business coaching and host the mastermind groups on a quarterly basis. So again, please subscribe to our channel if you want to learn more about how to save money on taxes, and talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.